In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not downloading. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading files from Canva. Look for the Wi-Fi symbol on your device to make sure you are connected. If the signal is weak, try moving closer to your router. You can also test your connection by visiting a website. If the site loads slowly or not at all, your internet may be the issue. This step is important because a reliable connection ensures that your download process is smooth and uninterrupted. If everything looks good, you are ready for the next step. Next, refresh Canva. This can solve many temporary glitches that might be affecting the download process. To refresh, simply click the refresh button on your browser or press the F5 key on your keyboard. Once you do this, Canva will reload and any issues may resolve themselves. A fresh start can clear up small bugs that prevent downloads. After refreshing, check to see if you can download your file now. You might see your projects load more efficiently. Now try downloading a different format. Sometimes the issue could be with the format you initially selected. For example, if you are trying to download an image, switch from PNG to JPG. Each format has its own benefits. PNG is great for high-quality images, while JPG is better for smaller file sizes. If you are working with documents, consider using PDF Standard. This is the most common format for sharing documents and often resolves compatibility issues. Testing different formats can quickly identify if the problem is with the specific file type. From there, click on the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. This button is usually colored and stands out, making it easy to locate. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with various options, including downloading your design. By selecting this button, you ensure that you are using the proper method to access the download feature. It's always good to follow the designated paths within software to avoid confusion. After that, click on Download in the drop-down menu. This action will prompt Canva to prepare your design for download. The screen may show a loading symbol indicating that your file is being processed. It is essential to wait for this process to complete. Patience is key here, as rushing may interfere with the download. You will see a confirmation appear once the download is ready, giving you reassurance that your file is being saved correctly. At this point, change the file type as needed. You have several options here depending on your requirements. If you're downloading an image, select PNG for high-quality visuals or JPG for smaller file sizes. For documents, PDF Standard is usually the best choice. If you're working with videos, select MP4. Each of these formats serves specific purposes. Choosing the right one can make a big difference in how your file appears and performs. Finally, once you have adjusted the file type, proceed to click the Download button again. This final step confirms your chosen settings and initiates the download process. You will see a progress bar indicating how much time is left for your file to finish downloading. This makes sure your changes are saved and that you get the right file format. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with downloading from Canva. Remember, each step plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth experience. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your downloads.